Not yet.
His wrestling name is, mine is a hammer. His is Patrick.
Alright, they're recording now?
Patrick.
Bobby, is it recording now?
What's your
The starfish.
Bobby,
Huh?
is it
Starfish.
starting now?
Okay.
Patrick the starfish.
And you, Nico, what's your wrestling name?
It's Patrick.
Patrick?
Yeah. No, it's all
Like a mean name, like.
Hulk.
Oh, the Hulk. Okay.
Okay, is it recording?
Okay, we're gonna record now.
Look at that. Oh, got you.
Now. Yeah, now.
Okay, right here we got the hammer.
The hammer.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay, right here we got the...
Patrick.
No. Okay,
Hulk.
Hulk.
Patrick the starfish. Look at that head. Look at that head. Look at that. Ah, gotcha. Look at that head. Look at that head. Ah. Oh. Put your hands up like that.